You know, scripting is like planting a seed. You put this tiny little idea on paper, and before you know anything, people are laughing, crying, and arguing over one thing you wrote. I still remember my first script that was produced. It was so satisfying watching people speak my lines.
It actually is. Directing is like being a traffic warden and a coach at the same time. You are guiding actors, camera, crew, sometimes even the weather. But when it all comes together, a joy is priceless.
And that's where my camera step in. Painting pictures with lights and angles. I mean, the joy it gives you to achieve with one single close-up what 3 pages of dialogue could not achieve. And then besides, actors look good on my lens.
Sound, the part of the only notice when it's missing. Try watching a film without sound. It's like a CCTV footage. The whispers, the footsteps. That's one boom! That makes you jump. That's where the heartbeat lives.
Yeah. Behind all that heartbeat and beauty, producing is that engine room. Budget, schedules, planning, just making sure nobody runs away with the money. Don't you stop using money?
Yes.
For me, I enjoy that madness. That one from, it's like building a film from ground to the top.
Then there's acting.
Yeah.
The soul of it all.
So,
Cameras, sound means little when the performance don't come to life.
yeah.
Here, we teach you how to embody a character, how to speak truth in every line, and hold the heart of the audience with just a glance. Now that is real magic.
And that's what excites me most about this training coming up. You know, when we get to teach them the real stuff and not just textbook.
Exactly. 6 weeks of pulling back the curtain on young filmmakers.
Yes.
Helping them to see film differently, creatively and literally.
Teaching them how to really listen. Because you know, films talk if you know how to hear them.
Yeah. And showing them how discipline and plan can turn dreams into reality.
And guiding them to live truthfully in front of the camera.
So to the next storytellers at Dlong School of Art, Film and Communication,
We can't wait to meet you.
Cheers. And
Cheers.